Hey, good morning guys. It's October 1, Friday 2010. It's 4:36 in the morning. And I'm going to run my first 32K going to Antipolo. See you later guys. Okay, galing na tayo ng Cainta, Brookside. And dumaan na tayo sa monster uphill ng Taytay Hilltop. Now, dito tayo sa Antipolo Church. We're going to Sumulong Highway kung saan dadaanan natin yung Paddy's Point, Assumption, Antipolo, etc. See you later guys. There you go. Long way to go. I'm here, Sumulong Highway, Assumption, Antipolo. I miss you, Maps. Okay, dinaanan na natin ng Palos Verdes Subdivision, City View, Cloud9, eto Paddy's Point, yung Leonardo's Restaurant, dinaanan na rin natin. Still, okay. Enjoy the trees, the weather, nice Antipolo. Medyo polluted lang sa mga truck, pero okay lang, takip ilong lang. Thank you guys. Okay, dito na ako sa, of course, Old Spaghetti House, Baligot, Sumulong Gate. See you guys. Hey guys, huli nyo na panood yung Baligot. Pumasok na ako doon. Hanggang sa lumabas ako ng Baligot, Cainta. Pumasok ako dito sa Brookside and finish my 7K. And doon sa kanto, Birmingham Street, Sunset Drive, 32K conquered. From Antipolo, uphills, etc. Sumulong Highway, blah blah blah. Ang haba na po nun. And 32K run, look at the time. It's no joke, it's 3 hours and 32 minutes and 32 seconds. Crazy, pero that's it. Thank you so much again for my sponsors, Axel, super thank you, and Rude Project. Thank you so much. David Salon, Valley Fair. Thank you. Everybody, my family, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.